Roof overframing or roof overbuild using rafters can be a common framing method for construction conditions such as a pop-out gable. In this example, the front of the house already has the overframing condition, and on the rear of the house I want to repeat the same process. All of the existing framing has been created. Let's take a look at the process for creating the overframing condition. The roof structure must be created before you can create any of the framing. As I switch to my 3D view, you can see the gable style roof over the patio. When this roof was built, the main roof was created for the house prior to the patio bump out. For a roof overbuild condition, the main roof will need to be under the new roof. If you need to adjust the main roof to be under the overbuilt roof, click on the main roof plane, turn off the automatic roof build tool, and then adjust the roof to the desired location. To frame this roof section, let me switch over to the roof framing plan view and then select both of the roof planes by holding down my Shift key and then open them up for editing. On the structure panel for the two roof planes, towards the bottom is the option for roof overframing. There is the option to overframe to the roof finish, the sheathing, or the structural layer. Just above this is the option to control the type of shoe plate that you build. I'm going to change the shoe plate to a 2x10 and then I'll close the dialog. While the two roof planes are still selected, I'm going to use the tool called Build Framing for the selected object. The framing generates for the two roof planes as you can see above, and when I move over into the 3D camera and then switch the layer set to 3D framing, you can see the overbuild condition for the rafters has been created with the shoe plate sitting on top of where the sheathing would be placed. To learn more about framing, please see our other videos or the built-in help file. And thanks for watching.